Honestly, the biggest things are availability of food, storing food properly, and the wind. I had no idea how much the wind was going to be my adversary. I remember one time I was so ready. I had everything. I was ready to make dinner, and then the wind was like, just figuring out ways to use the food that I have. I try to keep some stuff for emergencies. Being able to go with the flow and do the best you can based off of that day, and you don't know. You never know. Making people happy and full it's one of my greatest satisfactions in life. Really, I just do my best, and there's gonna be a day where it's not your favorite, but you're not gonna die, you're not gonna starve. You'll be okay. So please enjoy.
Wow, thank you.